Microsoft is testing a way to let players stream certain games they own for free. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. It was reported last year that Xbox had an ad-supported cloud gaming service in the works, and now rather than paying for a Game Pass to access cloud gaming features, Xbox insiders will be able to stream selected games from their libraries at no extra cost. All they just need to do is watch some ads first. These ad-supported cloud gaming sessions have a 1-hour time limit, just like on GeForce Now, and according to Microsoft, the test will be available for a limited time. The company ensured that the ads won't interrupt gameplay and that it holds ads to the same quality bar as our content. It will also make sure ads fit what players expect on each platform. Microsoft is pitching this as a way to give more people more affordable ways to play, just days before it once again increases the prices of Xbox consoles. The company's jacked up the prices of Game Pass subscriptions over the last couple of years, though it did backtrack a bit a few months ago. Xbox leaders recently said the division was running on very thin profit margins and stated that they couldn't continue. To save some revenue, Xbox is also cutting around 3,200 jobs as part of a reorganization that involves divesting studios and reportedly canceling some games as it refocuses on its bigger franchises. All of this is in service of improving Xbox's bottom line. An ad-supported streaming option could help with that to some degree. Microsoft announced this test on the same day that Amazon started integrating its Luna cloud gaming service in the Prime Video app. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.